In the learning phase, students are in charge of group sales for a practice hotel that has meeting rooms that can be used for both group meetings and group banquet dining. Students learn the process of grouping and ranking prospective meeting customers to determine the most profitable. As students begin selling rooms and meeting space to large groups, they will soon discover that room inventory doesn't always equal the number of interested groups. Students will have to continue studying and refining the ranking process to ensure that they're maximizing prices for available rooms and meeting spaces among potential clients. In the challenge phase, students are working as the group sales manager at the Cosmo, a hotel that depends largely on group business. Students must reach a specific dollar amount goal in group bookings by the end of the month. Students learn the value of selling banquets and meeting spaces as a way to generate additional profits, and they learn the process of group selling, evaluating potential groups and submitting bids for banquets and meeting rooms. For professors using the full curriculum with written content chapters, the optional concept overview and quiz covers types of guests and groups, group sales strategies, understanding the group meeting planners, the buyers, the role of the group sales manager, the seller, monitoring sales targets and quotas, building a group sales quote, the profitability pyramid, research on group buying behavior, the post-con, feedback and improvement, and key terms. Group sales of rooms, banquets, and meeting space is a key factor in running a profitable hotel. Using this sim, students will begin to understand the impact of maximizing group sales and the importance of group sales in successful hotel management.